In today's video, I'm going to show you how to keep your kids from stealing your hot chocolate. Hey guys, my name is Erin Courtney, and if you've ever had trouble with your kids trying to steal your hot chocolate, like I do on a regular basis, welcome to my world. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prevent that from happening.
Oh, Mommy, I'm making hot chocolate.
Case in point, the best way to keep your kids from stealing your hot chocolate is by putting liquor in it. So the first thing that we're going to add to our spiked hot chocolate is creme de cacao. This is a chocolate liqueur. Next we will add our coffee liqueur because why not? And then we are going to top it off with some Irish cream liqueur. Should I go ahead and drink this now or should I add the hot chocolate? We're gonna add the hot chocolate. Since we're trying to cover it up a little bit, I've got 10 ounces of hot chocolate. Give that a little stir. And it's not hot chocolate without whipped cream. And it's not hot chocolate without chocolate syrup drizzled on top of that whipped cream. Oh, and this, my friends, is how you keep your kids from stealing your hot chocolate.
Can I have some? Can I have some?
No, it has liquor.
Aww.
That is some good hot chocolate. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe so you get notifications for more videos. And you can also check out cheferinskitchen.com for all of my recipes and Amazon for my cookbooks under Erin K. Courtney. See you next time. Ooh, that is strong. All right, I can't drink anymore.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's good, but it's strong.